Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you how to easily remove a passkey on Roblox. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Roblox app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the More option. It is the icon with the 3 dots. From there, scroll down the menu until you see Settings and tap on it. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account Information. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Passkey section. Once you see it, tap on the Manage button right next to it. A new window will pop up showing your current passkeys. Simply click on the trash can icon next to the key you want to remove. Finally, a prompt will appear asking if you are sure. Tap on Delete key to confirm your choice. And that is it. You have successfully removed the passkey from your Roblox account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.